Kit check. Everything I need for my 1 week expedition. I'm trying to reach the What 3 Words location, Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms, and raising money for 3 worthy charities on the way. My kit starts with my big red 90-litre rucksack, my silver roll mat, my red tent, a sleeping bag, inflatable pillow, walking sticks in the red bag, camera tripod in the grey bag, flip-flops to give my feet a rest from boots in the evenings, suntan lotion, towel, water bottles, sticky tape for on-the-go repairs, my Trangia meth stoves, without the fuel because that's not allowed on the plane, knife, fork and spoon set, toilet paper, very essential, first aid kit, boot cleaning kit, wash kit, head torch, multi-tool, sewing kit, waterproofs, video kit, the parts I can live without in the event my whole luggage gets lost en route, clothes for 3 days and a bottle of fabric wash. And for my carry-on bag, a 30-litre black rucksack containing a shower tray sample, my jacket, passport, laptop, hat, biscuits, spare glasses, video kit to keep with me, selfie stick and of course a map and route plans. That's everything I need for my 1 week expedition.